Hey guys, it's July 15th. I just can't. I know between the storm we had, I posted a video to see it, it's unbelievable. But between this and the wind blowing everything towards the house, I do keep my area clean, but she doesn't want to come down here, and she won't clean the tub, so I'm not allowed to sweep her area, so I'm not sweeping, right? Am I on her side? No. I'm not sweeping, but I am trying to push it onto the lawn. It's grass, it can go into my vegetable garden, which is behind the steps. This is where I'm pushing it. Or onto the lawn, which is my lawn I'm supposed to take care of. So I'm just tired of seeing this mess. And it's so by my door. So if this gets me in trouble, you know what? I have wildlife at my door because she refuses to bring in 3 garbage bags full of meat spoiling at her back door on her back. Because with the flood, all electronic stuff that was on the floor had to be unplugged for safety. Because I was under a lot of water on my floor. And the freezer was sitting in the water. So, and I'm the one who did the electrical. I'm not an electrician. So, I have no faith in my electrical abilities. And in case you're not sure, I also did my body work on my truck, and everything it shows is that it's definitely done by me. So, anyways, all my food spoiled, all her food spoiled, and, well, it wouldn't have spoiled. Mine spoiled because I didn't have another freezer for it to go in. Hers spoiled. I gave it to her in time, and I gave it to her in the morning, but 4 in the morning, she was upstairs, and she did not want to open the door because she is up on charges for assaulting me, so, or whatever. I don't know sure what the officer charged her with, but she's been charged twice, so she didn't want to open it, and since then she won't bring her food in. But I did it all on video. Cops came here, I didn't do anything wrong, actually. They told me next time just to let her stuff spoil, not to move it out. That's fine. I will follow what the officer said. I just didn't want her stuff going bad. I was also, to be honest, I brought it up because I was hoping she would allow my food up there in her area. I am having another food, so she does. But anyways, we have critters, big and small. And my door, to get to the meat, they have to walk past my door. And my dog doesn't even know 2 paths. I'll make friends with them. Well, no, I'm starting to go nuts here by myself. But, I don't know, can I get in trouble for watering it? It's so messy. She's just doing it just to bug me because she knows I have OCD. But she doesn't have to understand the cleanliness and OCD. I do that for the Lord. My OCD is something else. And, I'm not telling her now. Got enough to do with my fire phobia against me. So, I don't know. I'm watering her plants too. They don't talk together. There's a little guy up there too. Oh well. I can use water. Doing a diary kind of thing on my Facebook because I can't post. I'm very bored. And sometimes she drinks a lot. And I try to pretend that there's somebody there and I'm actually talking to someone, so she slows me down from coming to my door. Or through my door. And anyways, this is one strong garden. You won't believe how many attacks it's had. Well, you guys compare the first photo to what it is now. Oh my life. Oh well. It's just a garden. Right? I don't want her destroying it, but it's just a garden. I leave my marbles over a plant. So, anyways. What are you guys doing? Are you wondering yet why I haven't posted? On a drinking thing that she's doing. And she actually disconnected my internet and I had no way to call you guys, so. I am slowly going crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bitch. Alright. Maybe I'm crazy. Somebody like a drink from a garden hose. Oh yeah, that's what oh. And that was nice and cold. And still alive, guys. So drinking some garden hose is not bad of a deal. I'm going to work on a wood project. I'm going to cut some metal, and I'm going to take apart something that was dropped off for me. I was going to make a bacon and egg sandwich, but maybe I'll just go watch a show called The House. See how that works instead. Lord. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.